Hey guys, Dr. Mike here. Did you know that over 30% of men over the age of 30 have low testosterone? It's a staggering statistic that many are unaware of. That's right, it's not just an old man's problem. It's affecting guys in their prime, men who are otherwise healthy and active. And the scary part is, most men don't even realize it. They go about their daily lives completely oblivious to the underlying issue. They brush off the symptoms as just getting older, but the truth is, low testosterone can have a serious impact on your health and well-being. It can affect your energy levels, mood, and even your physical health. In this video, we're going to dive deep into the 6 warning signs of low testosterone that every man needs to know. These signs can be subtle, but are crucial to recognize. We're talking about the subtle changes in your body and mind that could be signaling a bigger issue. Changes that might seem insignificant, but are actually important indicators. I'll break down each symptom, explain what's going on behind the scenes, and give you practical tips on what you can do about it. Understanding these symptoms is the first step towards taking action. Remember guys, knowledge is power. The more you know, the better equipped you are to handle these challenges. By understanding the signs and symptoms of low testosterone, you can take control of your health and live your best life. So, let's get started. Stay tuned and let's dive in together. Low testosterone, or low T as it's commonly called, is a condition where your body doesn't produce enough of the hormone testosterone. This hormone is essential for various bodily functions, and its deficiency can lead to numerous health issues. Now, testosterone is often associated with masculinity, but it plays a vital role in many bodily functions for both men and women. It influences physical, mental, and emotional well-being. For men, testosterone is crucial for muscle mass, bone density, sex drive, sperm production, and even mood. It helps maintain energy levels and overall vitality. When testosterone levels dip below a healthy range, it can throw all these things out of whack. Symptoms can include fatigue, depression, and a decrease in physical performance. The tricky thing about low T is that it can be caused by a variety of factors, from genetics and age to underlying medical conditions. Lifestyle choices and stress levels can also play a significant role. And because the symptoms can be subtle and easily dismissed as just getting older, many men don't seek help until the problem has progressed significantly. This delay can make treatment more challenging. But here's the good news. Low T is treatable. With proper medical guidance, lifestyle changes, and sometimes medication, you can manage and even reverse the symptoms. By recognizing the warning signs early on, you can take steps to address the issue and regain control of your health. Early intervention can lead to a better quality of life and improved overall well-being. One of the most common, yet often overlooked signs of low testosterone is a shift in your mood. Have you been feeling more irritable than usual, or easily frustrated? Maybe you're lacking your usual drive and motivation, or feeling more anxious or depressed. These emotional changes can be directly linked to low testosterone. You see, testosterone plays a key role in regulating mood and emotional well-being. When levels dip, it can disrupt the balance of neurochemicals in your brain, leading to mood swings, irritability, and even depression. Now, it's important to remember that mood changes can be caused by a variety of factors, so it's not always a surefire sign of low T. But if you're experiencing persistent mood swings or feelings of depression, especially in conjunction with other symptoms we'll discuss, it's definitely worth getting your testosterone levels checked. Let's talk about a symptom that many men find particularly concerning: changes in your sex drive. Testosterone is a major player in libido and sexual function. When levels decline, it's not uncommon to experience a decrease in sexual desire, difficulty achieving or maintaining an erection, and even a lower sperm count. This can be incredibly frustrating and even embarrassing for men, but it's important to remember that it's often a hormonal issue, not something wrong with you personally. The good news is that by addressing low testosterone, Many men see significant improvements in their sexual health and performance. Have you noticed that it's harder to build muscle or maintain your usual strength, even if you're working out regularly? This is another telltale sign of low testosterone. Testosterone is essential for muscle growth and repair. When levels are low, your body struggles to build and maintain muscle mass, even if you're hitting the gym hard. You might also notice that you feel weaker overall and have less stamina during your workouts. This can be incredibly discouraging, especially if you're used to being physically active. Chapter 5. The Weight Gain Warning. Low T and your expanding waistline. Here's a symptom that often sneaks up on guys. Increased body fat, particularly around the midsection. Testosterone plays a role in regulating body fat distribution. When levels are low, your body may start storing more fat, especially around the belly. This is not just a cosmetic concern, guys. Increased belly fat is linked to a higher risk of serious health problems like heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and certain cancers. So, if you're noticing your waistline expanding, even if you haven't made any major changes to your diet or exercise routine, it could be a sign of low T. Chapter 6. The Energy Zapper. Low T and the Fatigue Factor. Feeling constantly drained, even after a full night's sleep? Low testosterone could be the culprit. Testosterone plays a vital role in energy levels and overall vitality. When levels are low, it's common to experience persistent fatigue, low motivation, and a general lack of get up and go. This can really take a toll on your quality of life, making it difficult to enjoy your hobbies, keep up with work, or even just get through the day. If you're feeling constantly exhausted and it's affecting your daily life, don't just brush it off as stress or being overworked. It could be a sign of something more serious. Chapter 7. The most shocking symptom nobody talks about. Now, for the most shocking symptom of low testosterone that many men don't even realize is connected brain fog. You know that feeling of being forgetful, having trouble concentrating, or just not feeling as sharp as you used to? Well, believe it or not, low testosterone can affect your cognitive function. Testosterone plays a role in brain health and cognitive function. When levels are low, it can lead to brain fog, memory problems, and difficulty focusing. This can be incredibly frustrating and even debilitating, especially if your work or daily life requires a lot of mental energy. If you're noticing a decline in your cognitive abilities, don't just assume it's age or stress. Get your testosterone levels checked to rule out any underlying hormonal imbalances. Outro. Take control of your health, guys. So, there you have it, guys, the 6 warning signs of low testosterone that every man needs to know. From mood swings and low libido to decreased muscle mass, weight gain, fatigue, and even brain fog, low T can manifest in a variety of ways. It's not just about feeling tired or down, it can affect your overall quality of life. The key takeaway here is that you don't have to suffer in silence. There are solutions and treatments available. If you're experiencing any of these symptoms, don't brush them off as just part of getting older. It's important to recognize that these symptoms are not inevitable. Talk to your doctor about getting your testosterone levels checked. It's a simple step that can make a big difference. Early detection and treatment are crucial for managing low testosterone and preventing further complications. Don't wait until it's too late. Remember, your health is your most valuable asset. Take care of it by staying informed and proactive. Now, I want to hear from you. Your experiences can help others. Have you experienced any of these symptoms? How did you handle them? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Your story could be the encouragement someone else needs. And don't forget to check out my other videos for more health tips and advice. There's always more to learn. Until next time, stay healthy, guys. Keep pushing forward and take control of your well-being.